Hey guys, so I'm going to be telling you guys how I got an iPhone 11 Pro brand new for only $130. So let's jump into this because this story is a little interesting. So yeah, I was talking to this guy on OfferUp. He's got it listed for $4. I'm going to go buy it for $2. Yeah, so let's go. Okay guys, so I just got some cash and we're going to go to this guy. He says it was his sister's or whatever. She thinks it's 256 gigs. He originally told me 128. I don't know which one it is, but we're about to find out. So just in driving down there, this video is turning into a two-parter. This part's gonna be going to get this phone, but I contacted a lady about a 2020 SE, black 64 gigs, so the base model, asking for a trade because she had it listed for $240. And she asked what I had, and I told her, and she's like, that's something, or sorry, I keep saying she, it's a he, this one's Tyler. He's like, that's definitely something I'd be interested in. Do you have pictures and stuff? So I sent him the Facebook Marketplace listings I've got, and I haven't heard back from him yet. So once I hear back from him, we'll take it from there. So originally I was going to buy my dad a new phone for Christmas, and I was trying to figure out one for Nan, but I think I may have just been able to solve both, because one of them will get the 10, and one of them will get the SE. I don't care which, really. The only real difference is I'm going to give Nan the option whether she wants the Face ID or Touch ID, because she still has the 6S, so I'd just be able to pop it right into her case. So I'm just going to leave it up to her, and we'll see what she says. So we are approximately a mile, just under 2 miles, I guess, 1.7 miles away. I've got the cash. I'm gonna check the serial number when I get there. I don't doubt them. It's just, if it's selling this cheap, I just want to make sure it's not like a clone. I very much doubt it is, though. Like, I've looked. Shut up, Siri. But, yeah, so we're going to go and pick it up, and I'm going to check the serial number, so, yeah. So that's embarrassing. I'm in the wrong place. I was given the address, I put the address in, and I clicked the right one, but Siri's messed up, and I'm in the wrong place. I'm 20 minutes away, so it's not too bad, but I feel like an ass now, though, because, like, he darted out real quick because his son was asleep, and now I'm like way too, like, I'm later than I should have been. Right onto Cypress Street. I'm sorry. Okay, we got the phone. I definitely have to reset it because there's, I think, well, he said it was his sister, so, like, I think she might have had it for work or something, because it's got, like, a Microsoft Teams sign-in that it wants me to do, but I can't do that. So, I'm going to talk to him, and I'm probably, well, I was going to reset it anyway, but yeah. Hey guys, so we're back in the dorm building. I've got the phone. I have a case for it. I actually just picked it up at Target. It's right here. It's maroon. I just like the color, so I think it'll go good with the space gray phone. So let's go back in. We're going to plug this into my computer. We're going to use 3U tools to check the information on it to make sure there's no iCloud, no battery issues, any of that before we reset it. That way I can have a clear diagnosis. So here we are. This is the iPhone 11 Pro. It's a 64 gig space gray, so let's open it up. So we got the phone right inside. It's right here. We'll deal with that in a second. This is the case I picked up. I already took the charger out of the box. You know, I'm not opening an Apple box for you guys. That's just not going to happen. So guys, this video is turning into a two-part video. So this first part, I'm not going to show you the troubleshooting stuff I did, because that's a whole nother video altogether, and it honestly took me like 3 or 4 days to get to a point where I could actually sign into the phone and use the phone. And obviously, you know, like, I'm recording on my phone right now, so I can tell you guys I actually got through it. But it's just that took me a few days, and the first part of the video, so much easier to release just a small, you know, I got it, and unboxing it, and then the second video, which will be up, I believe, in 2 weeks from when this one is or just under 2 weeks, because of the way I'm trying to upload videos now. So that video will be up soon. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Click up here to subscribe and up here to watch one of my other videos. And pardon my hair, it's a god-awful mess today. Until next time, guys. Peace.